FH Group has your entire vehicle covered with our made-to-order seat covers custom fit for your Toyota Sienna 7-passenger minivan. Made with soft and stretchy neoprene fabric, these custom-fit seat covers are precision cut to meet vehicle specifications and tailored for a perfectly snug fit. The innovative design makes installation easy. Begin by removing all the headrests. Then, starting with the front bucket seats, stretch the backrest cover over the seat. Secure the fabric under the armrest with hook and loop closure. Now, push the hook and loop straps through the crevice of the seat bottom. From the rear and under the seat, secure the straps using the hook and loop adhesive sides. Then, unfold the seat cover and fasten it to the seat with the hook and loop closure. Next, stretch the seat cover bottom over the seat and push the straps through the crevice to the back side. Grab the straps and stretch them underneath the seat bottom. Connect them together under the seat to secure the covers. Slip the headrest covers over the headrest and slide the armrest covers on. Now, slip the backrest covers over the middle row seats. Tuck the straps through the crevice of the backrests, stretch the seat cover bottom over the seat, and push the straps through the crevice to the back side. Lift the seat up and secure all the straps in place under the seat bottom. Next, stretch the fabric over each section of the rear backrest. Push the hook and loop straps through the crevice of the seat bottom. From the rear and under the seat, secure the straps using the hook and loop adhesive sides. Then, stretch the rear bottom cover around the seat. Tuck the straps through the crevice and secure the straps under the seat with the buckle clips. Now slip the headrest covers over the headrests and fasten all the straps to secure them in place. You'll find that the covers are precision cut to meet vehicle specifications, allowing the cutouts access to all the vehicle's controls. And that's it! You are ready to enjoy the full benefits of your Toyota Sienna with the stylish and practical newly installed custom fit neoprene seat covers.